Do you own a 5th gen 4Runner and love to go off-roading? And when you do go off-roading, does your 4Runner end up with a constant layer of off-roady goodness just like this? And sometimes when you enjoy the outdoors get inside your 4Runner and make your floor mats look like this. Well, I have a solution for that. Introducing LasFit all-weather rubberized floor mats for the 5th gen 4Runner. Excuse me, sir. My feet get dirty when I have to walk through the parking lot of Coffee Bucks when the drive-through lane is too long. Will these floor mats work for me? Sure, bud. These will work for you too. Anyway, let's see how these fit and put them to an off-road test. Before we get to the testing out in the desert, let's go over these real quick. So, full disclosure, LasFit did send these to me for a test and review. However, having said that, if I wouldn't buy them for my own rig, I wouldn't recommend them to you. So we'll check them out. If I don't like them, I don't like them. I'll let you know. First, let's do an unboxing. So here's a box, and here's not a box. So we'll get rid of that. So far, these actually are quite impressive with the quality. They're kind of rubberized feeling and pretty heavy duty. Oh, I don't know what that is. So here's the driver's side floor mat. And you know, so far, I like what I'm seeing. All right, enough of the garage stuff, let's get outside. So the biggest drawback of having carpeted floor mats is cleaning up the mess after you go off-road. If you off-road long enough, inevitably they're gonna get dirty, no matter what you do. And sometimes you might even find yourself in a situation like this. So it's not muddy today, but it did rain last week, and there's a leftover mud puddle. So let's get muddy and find out what happens with the floor mats. So clearly we can see the stock carpeted floor mats really don't hold up to the elements very well. So they'll get especially dirty when you do something silly like this. All right, let's pull out the carpeted floor mats and see how they fare. Real main thing here is the dirt will get stuck in the fibers of the carpet and this thing will stay constantly dirty. You'll have to vacuum it out really hard. Obviously, anybody who's to clean a car, it's just a lot more difficult. So now let's throw in the LasFit floor mats and see if it makes a difference. Okay, so the new floor mats are in. The best part to me is in this area right here, there's coverage under the gas pedal. There's some floor mats that don't have coverage under the gas pedal and you still put your foot on the gas pedal and create a mess. The other thing is this section right here, it's ribbed and overflows with the door seal so it doesn't have a space to get dirt in between the carpet and the door seal. Plus there's a little lip here to keep all the muck inside. All right, LasFit with a scoop of dirt. All right, let's take out the LasFit floor mats and see how it fares. They definitely contain more of the dirt and are easier to scoop out if you really do something silly like scoop a shovel of dirt into your floor mat. So another benefit of the LasFit rubberized mats is that cleanup is significantly easier. You can just pour some water or wipe them down and you're good to go. Mostly. That did not work. All right, maybe a little more elbow grease and a towel or a scrubbing brush, but you should be good to go. Okay, so we're back in the garage. We did a little off-road test. I know it's maybe a little bit silly, but it still applies. You know, if you get them dirty, the LasFit floor mats are gonna be easier to clean over the carpet ones. Some real benefits of the LasFit, they offer better coverage than the factory floor mats. The fitment of the LasFit floor mats in the 4Runner is also pretty exceptional. They're just very seamless. They definitely did their homework to make these fit correctly, even with the little tabs that lock them in the front. Just real quick about the fitment, along the door sill plate, the flap that folds over the door sill sticks up just a little bit. And if you're concerned about fitment, that's just something to be aware of. So I don't really have another set of floor mats for the 4Runner that I can compare them to, but I did buy these Husky liners for my Bronco, and there's a little bit of a difference, just to point some of the things out. These are more of like a harder plastic. You can kind of see they hold up like their shape a little bit more. I bought these for my Bronco, and then these are definitely like more of a flexible rubber for the LasFit floor mats. And honestly, after having both of them for a little bit, I do prefer the rubberized feel of the LasFit floor mats. If I were to spend my own money, would I buy them? And the answer is yes, I would. So if you're interested in getting a set of these for your 4Runner, hit the link below and use the coupon code DBC15 for 15% off. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button for me, and I'll see you in the next one.